Hello everyone. Today my topic is real numbers. In this video we are going to learn different types of numbers. First one is natural numbers and it is denoted by capital N. Set of all counting numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 till infinity are called natural numbers. So here in this circle you see that there are many numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 65, 135, 275, 385, 512, 942 up to infinity. These are the set of natural numbers or the collection of natural numbers. So natural numbers are the counting numbers. So now can you tell me, is 0 a natural number? No, 0 is not a natural number, but it is a whole number. Now, what are whole numbers? Number 2, whole numbers. It is denoted by capital W. When we put 0 in the collection of natural numbers, we will get the collection of whole numbers. That is, 0 and the natural numbers together forms whole numbers. That means natural numbers including 0 are called whole numbers. So here you see in this triangle there is 0, which is a whole number including the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 till infinity. So this is the collection of whole numbers. There are few points to remember. Number 1, the sum of two natural numbers will be a natural number. For example, when you add 1 and 2, you will get 3. So 3 is a natural number. Similarly, when you add 5 and 6, you will get 11. 11 is also a natural number. Number 2, the sum of any two whole numbers will be a whole number. Similarly, when we add 1 and 5, we get 6. 6 is a whole number, and so on. So natural number are also whole number. Now let us take an example. When we add -5 and 3, we'll get -2. Now -2 is not a natural number and it is not a whole number. So what type of number -2 is? Can you guess? It is an integer. So -2 is a number which is less than 0. So these type of numbers are called integers. So let's see what are integers. Integers, it is denoted by capital Z. Whole numbers and -1, -2, -3 together forms the collection of integers. So whole numbers including negative numbers will form the collection of integers. So here in this rectangle you see there are negative numbers -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7 till infinity. These are the negative numbers. And here in the triangle 0 is a whole number including natural numbers, and all these represents the collection of integers. So you see that there are few numbers which are less than 0, like -1, -2, -99 are the numbers which are less than 0, and some numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till infinity which are greater than 0. So the integers greater than 0, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinity, they are called positive integers. And the integers less than 0, that is -1, -2, -3, -4 till infinity, they are called negative integers. So what about 0? Points to remember. Number 1, 0 is an integer which is neither positive nor negative. Number 2, addition, subtraction and multiplication of any two integers are always an integer. Like when we add 2 and 3, we get 5. 5 is an integer. When we subtract 3 from 5, we get 2. 2 is an integer. When we multiply 5 and 2, we get 10. 10 is an integer. Now let us check whether the division of two integers is an integer. Number 1, 6 divided by 7 equals to 6 by 7. So 6 by 7 is not an integer. Let us take another example. 4 divided by 2, which is equals to 2. 2 is an integer. 3 divided by 4 equals to 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is not an integer. So here you see that 6 by 7 and 3 by 4 are not integers, whereas 2 is an integer. So quotient of two integers may not always be integer. So what is called 6 by 7, 3 by 4 and this type of numbers? Any guess? They are called rational numbers. Now let us check what are rational numbers. Rational numbers, Q, denoted by Q. The numbers which can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equals to 0, are called rational numbers. Example, 1 by 2, 3 by 4 and so on. So these are the examples of rational numbers. Here P is 1, P is equals to 1 and Q is equals to 2. Q should not be equals to 0. If Q equals to 0, then this number will become an undefined number. So here you see in pentagon the collection of rational numbers, and in rectangle the collection of integers, triangle with whole number and circle with natural numbers. So this is the set of rational numbers. Number 5, irrational numbers The numbers which cannot be expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equals to 0, are called irrational numbers. Example: root 2, root 3, root 5, 0.10, 110, 1110, 11110, or the reoccurring decimals are called irrational numbers. So here in this figure you see that these are the collection of irrational numbers. Pentagon with rational numbers, rectangle with integers, triangle with 0, and circle with natural numbers. So this is the set of or the collection of real numbers. All these numbers are called real numbers. So all rational numbers and irrational numbers together form collection of real numbers. So these are all real numbers. So this much for today. See you in next video. Till then, take care.